Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use your Typhur Sync Air Fryer. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who just got their Typhur Sync Air Fryer and are wondering how to go ahead and actually use it. So the first thing that you want to go ahead and do is we're going to go ahead and plug in our air fryer. So just plug it into the outlet and then turn it on. So what you have here is a touch control screen panel. So there's different preset modes such as air fry, roast, bake, dehydrate, reheat, and preheat. On the left-hand side, you have the power button, you have the temperature controls as well. And then on the right-hand side, you have the timer, which is again controlled by the up and down arrows. This is where you have the start and pause button. And then on the top here, this is where the magnetic probe actually inserts. So once you actually remove this, it's automatically going to go into probe mode. So you could actually insert the probe into beef, chicken, fish. You can decide the presets. You can also set the desired doneness that you want. Like let's say for beef, you want it to be well done. And so it automatically connects via the probe, which is included with the Typhur Sync Air Fryer. And in addition to that, you could actually connect this to your phone. So in order to connect it to your phone, you want to go ahead and download the Typhur app, which is right over here. And then once it's downloaded and you've created an account, go ahead and open it up. Then click on the plus icon on the top right-hand corner. We're going to go ahead and select Typhur Sync Air Fryer. And then you're going to make sure that you do turn on pairing mode. So in order to do so, you're going to press and hold the power button for about 3 seconds. And you should hear a beep. And as you can see, the Wi-Fi indicator has now been turned on and is blinking. So click on My Device is Ready. And then it should automatically find your Typhur Sync Air Fryer. So click on Pair. Now you do need to make sure that you're connected to a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. So select your Wi-Fi network, enter the password to your Wi-Fi, and then it should start to pair your device. So give it a couple of seconds. And then once it's done pairing, you should see a success notification. So click on Next, Continue, Continue. And then you should now have your Typhur Sync Air Fryer connected to your phone. But overall, with the Typhur Sync Air Fryer, you do have the ceramic basket as well as the grill plate included as well. But that's pretty much it though, as far as how to go ahead and use it. You just turn it on, you can connect it to your mobile device. You can set the different presets. You can do reheat, preheat. And when you actually do start it, so let's say, for example, we start this, you should automatically see the timer on your phone. So you can see how much time is left if you click onto it. And that corresponds to the actual air fryer as well. So you pause it and there you have it. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually use this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.